Okay. Meow. Got him. Oh, this is so light, man. These bikes are so light. Oh my goodness, it's so light. Alright, so Zach has given me his bike to ride tonight, and so I came here with Aaron, and then now I'm riding the Duke 390, the small version of my bike. It's a little light on power from my Duke, but hey. Oh, this is so nice. Oh yeah, that's right, we're on this side of the road. Oh man, these headlights are insane, hey? Oh, this is awesome. See, this is why I come to the city, you know? A street doggo right there. Yeah! I like this horn. This is like the first time me riding like this bike in like traffic. It's just like, it's so nimble, you know? I like it. It's really fun. And it's not even that slow, you know? Yeah. Dude, this horn is insane. Awesome, man. This is awesome. Thank you so much for letting me ride this. Yeah. This bike is awesome, buddy. Yeah. And it looks good too, even with two guys. Plus your muscles, you know, it looks even better. Wait, since when do we stop for red lights here? This is the first red light in India I've stopped at. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we can't rant about it and run the lights. There you go, boys and girls. I'm on the KTM 390. What a good bike for out here, man. And I'm tall too, and it fits good. Like it fits really well for such a tall person, you know. And man, the lights here are forever long. That guy thought he was fast. So yeah, we had the same thing back home, you know, where some cars think they're like as fast as bikes, you know. So yeah, see, other cars don't know we're gonna be here. Right to the red light, like why? Oh, what's that? Drinking and driving or something? What's that? Oh, the crash over there, a fight? Crazy. The guy's indicating right and he's changing into the left lane. Oh, there we go. Yeah. And Indian stunts, my friend. Indian stunts. This is hilarious. Oh, he's even scraping it. Yeah. That's hilarious, man. There we go. And now this car wants to join in. Well, with the fake M badge, it's not even an M. Yeah. 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 Like, whose LEDs are doing that? Who's flickering like that? Is that you? Oh, there it is. I'm like, what the fuck? All these bikes have LEDs, you know? Oh yeah, there it is. Snowcat wheelie. Oh yeah. She comes right up in first gear, hey? Oh wow, right through the, what is that? No one cares, man, that's insane. Oh, you're way up there. Okay, I was waiting for these guys. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Oh yeah. We're talking about you, not to you. Oh, it's stinky. Ugh. Yeah, someone pooped. Yeah, let's go slow as fuck. This is gross. This is disgusting. Oh, the poop water's all up your back. Ugh. The poop water everywhere. Aye. The roads are insane. Here we go, we're going the wrong way now. Welcome to India. We're going down the wrong side of the road. I love it. Poop water. Yes, the 390 is good at off-road, yes. Oh wait, is this just probably just like a normal road here for you guys? Dude, we're going the wrong way, dude, down the road. This is like game over back where I live. Oh, my honk saved me, man. I saw him coming. I honked. He stopped for me even though I'm on the wrong side of the road. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Now this is like Canada. Welcome to Canada, guys. We're driving on the right side. It sounds damn good, that bike though. Yeah, its triples always sound good. Look how hot your tire got. All the shit is picked up in the parking lot. Yeah.
They're laying new roads over there.
Yeah.